Are you seeing the Zipcontainer Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before diving into the manual fix for Zipcontainer Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Zipcontainer Library, the Windows Zipcontainer Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of zip-based file containers, such as .docx or .appx. It facilitates the data link for the OS to read and write compressed file manifests as standard folder structures. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Zipcontainer Library DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Zipcontainer library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Please use caution. Replacing Zipcontainer Library DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Zipcontainer Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Zipcontainer Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.